guys, welcome to my channel. It's Kris here with Keeping Up with Kris, and I'm doing another product related video, although it's not an empties. It is something that I've been wanting to share with you guys for a little while now, but I had to do the trial and error. So recently enough, y'all, I'm gonna just keep it funky with you. I have seborrheic dermatitis. So I think I found a product that, well, I think I found a duo products that once used together is getting rid of it. So if that's something that you're interested in, if you have seborrheic dermatitis, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, because I like results. Okay, so let me know what you think. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Make sure you subscribe, and yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so like I said, I have seborrheic dermatitis, and let me show y'all. Look at my scalp. I don't know if you can see it. I'll do a cutaway of my scalp now, but y'all, it's nothing there. That's what I'm trying to say. There's nothing there. So I suffer from seborrheic dermatitis, which for me, the symptoms of it on my scalp consist of lots of flakiness. It's super white. It's super scaly. It's really not attractive at all. But I mean, what can you do? It's life. I know a lot of people that actually suffer from it, but I think that I didn't have it my whole life. It actually kind of just started within the last few years or so. So pretty much I have been trying different things, and it went away for a while, but then recently, I think starting back in maybe like August, I had a flare-up of it on my scalp again. And like I said, right now you really don't see anything. My hair was starting to get really dull, because I'm guessing my scalp was just so dry. There was no of my natural oils getting to my hair. It was like crazy, y'all. Like, it was crazy. But nonetheless, I've tried a bunch of products. I've tried a bunch of natural products, and I think I found my holy grail. So let's just get it started. So first and foremost, I bought these products. I had looked them up. I was looking everything up on Google one night, late at night, y'all, and I found this product called Dermasolve. And it's for people with sensitive skin. It's for dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis. It says it stops this intense scalp itch, moisturizes and conditions, immediate relief, controls crusty buildup, which I have. It's non-greasy. It leaves hair soft and manageable. It's irritation free, helps prevent recurrence. Doctor recommended, and it's fragrance free. So it also deflakes. It has herbal stuff in it, like peppermint oil, stuff like that. And it specifically on the back says for seborrheic dermatitis and psoriasis. It works on your itching, scaling, flaking, redness, and irritation. And y'all, I was literally having all of it. Like, my scalp was like, what the fuck is going on? Like, honestly. So this is what the product looks like, and I'll show you really up here, like an actual screenshot of it. So this is the product. I want to say I spent about $60 on this. It also came with a scalp oil and sort of a non-greasy grease. So I definitely used the oil because I was getting my hair braided, and I was like, dog, my hair is really flaking. I don't know if the fake hair from the long braids was irritating my scalp, but I was like, yo, I gotta chill. So I stopped doing that. I started using the oil on my natural hair, and then I when I was using the oil, and I'll show you all of these products. Okay, so this is what the Dermasolve Psoriasis, the cream looks like. This is what the bottle looks like. And the inside looks like this. It's kind of like a pinky color. But I only use a little bit, because it is a thick cream. But yeah, and this is you get two of these, so it calms and soothes. It helps your hair retain moisture, which I'm guessing helps combat the flaking. So this is the scalp oil, and it says it controls flaking and scaling. So have you guys ever seen on TikTok the people that scraping up their scalp? And I used to always be like, ew, that is so gross. But y'all, my scalp was doing that. Okay, I would literally take the little rat tail comb and be flicking it out and pulling it out of my hair, and I was like, okay, this is it. So I've used this product, and this one, the shampoo has salicylic acid in it, and yeah, so it's a medicated shampoo. So I pretty much can't go back to the other type of shampoos that I was using, but I'm okay with that. But so yeah, I used it the first time, and I was like, I don't know. it seemed like it worked, but then like when I would look at my hair and it was dry, I was still seeing a little bit of like, it looks like dandruff. It looks just like, almost like dandruff, but it's like a off-white grayish color, and they're not like small little things, they're like big flakes. That is dermatitis, okay? And then, so I also had, so I used that this time. So after the first time, I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it again though, because I do need something to moisturize and work on my scalp, because just doing what I was doing is not working. So I used that, and then I used my Shea Moisture.
Okay guys, so at this point in time in the video,